Hello, there's Moots here at Trask. We're going to be installing our Assault 2-in-1 pipe onto a Milwaukee 8 FL bagger. We're going to remove the saddlebags from the bike. This bike happens to have a stock exhaust on it. So we're going to remove the entire stock exhaust system as per your Harley service manual. Bags are off. Loosen the mufflers. Slide the mufflers off, right and left. I'm going to take that crossover off from underneath the transmission, remove that, loosen the clamp, and twist and slide that off. And we'll proceed to remove the right foot peg assembly. There's a 5/16 flange nut behind the cam cover. We're going to unplug our stock O2 sensors, pull the wiring out so that they can be removed with the pipe. Unclip them from the frame rail going up to the front head pipe, and they're going to go back into those same clips upon reassembly. These shields are a little tight to the flange nuts at the head flange, so he's removing the shields to gain better access to the flange nuts. Shields are off. Loosen the 4 flange nuts, 2 front and 2 rear. Take them completely off. Save those because they will be reused, along with the flanges and the flange retaining clips. Remove the stock head pipe. Remove stock OEM gaskets. The exhaust system comes supplied with new gaskets. Move the 2 bolts on the back side of the transmission door. Install your bracket with the new bolts supplied, 5/16 18, 24 foot-pounds. I snug them down at this point just to retain a little bit of wiggle in that bracket. And once the exhaust is on, we'll tighten those up with the muffler. We're going to remove the O2 bungs from the new Trask Assault head pipes, and we're going to install the O2 reducers so that we can reinstall the OEM narrowband O2 sensors. Screw those in with a little touch of anti-seize, on the O2 sensor. Screw them into the pipe, front and rear. Snug them down. Install your flange and clip from the old pipe onto the new pipe. Install your gasket, new gasket, supplied with the kit. A little bit of anti-seize on the studs. Slide your pipe into position, align the flange with the studs, get the nuts started. Do not tighten at this point, you just want to get them on there kind of snug. 2 front and 2 rear. Reel the pipe, it seats the gasket. A little bit of anti-seize on the muffler, which will slide into the double slip fit on the head pipe. Rotate that, wheel it into place until the bungs on the muffler line up with the holes on the exhaust support bracket. A little bit of red Loctite. Again, 5/16 bolt, 24 foot-pounds. Gonna snug that muffler down to the bracket, snug the bracket down, tighten the bracket down to the muffler, tighten the bracket down to the transmission, and then tighten the flange nuts down to the head, front and rear. Reroute your O2 wires back to its original location under the side cover. Plug them in. They are color-coded black and white for front and rear. This exhaust system comes with hardware and floorboard spacers that kick the right floorboard out about 1/2 inch. I like to use red Loctite on these. It's 3/8 16, which is 28 foot-pounds. There you have it. Assault 2-in-1 exhaust, Milwaukee 8 bagger. Get yours through traskperformance.com or your local drag specialties dealer.